Lynx Duress and mass notification system is developed in Richardson, Texas, where we both manufacture our hardware, develop our software, and have our technical support. The solution's been around since 2004 and over the years developed greatly. Our main areas that we address are duress and the need for adding panic buttons in environments where traditionally panic buttons weren't needed, whether that's in healthcare, city, county government, unfortunately in education. We also address the issues of improving response time by automating communication to radios and other devices. Taking the human element out of a panic button being pressed and a security or police response can often be critical to reduce the event's time occurring based upon response time delays. And then the last part of Lynx that's so critical is the emergency mass notification, the ability to communicate information to everybody across a variety of platforms, overriding computer screens, communicating to PA systems, mobile phones, digital signage, all of those devices in a facility that ultimately might protect employees from severe weather and a tornado, or unfortunately an active threat or some other type of man-made emergency. So the Lynx system can be as simple as a panic button that turns any Windows-based computer into a silent duress alarm. What makes the Lynx system so unique is that even if the computer is logged off or locked, any staff member can simply hit that key combination and send out that silent alert or audible alert to those that need to respond to the emergency.
Panic button pressed in the building 5, room 207. Security respond immediately.
It can embed camera feeds, it's going to embed the location, all the details that are critical from a response standpoint. That same message can also go out over their existing radios, alerting their officers to respond with that location information. There's also a test feature built in that enables our employees on a monthly basis to physically test their alarm. So now, even if I've got 1,000 computers with the alarm, they can physically test the alarm on a monthly basis without having to turn the whole system off. Benefits of this is it enables the organization to have a report each month showing that all the alarms have been tested, greatly reducing the man hours spent in testing the alarms, but also critically, it enables the employees to have the confidence and knowledge that the system is working correctly. In addition to the keyboard alarms, we also have USB buttons that plug directly into the network and are fully supervised. So the important thing here is that button can be connected to any Windows computer, and if something happened to it, it would send out an immediate supervision alert if there was a problem. And as you'll see here, how quickly when it gets reconnected, the system is now enabled to know that the system is working correctly. We also have buttons that plug directly into the network. So this button is PoE based. This one does not require a computer. We simply plug this directly into the network, and now I've got a panic button anywhere in my organization. Again, another device that our company manufactures in Richardson, Texas. If we needed to initiate a lockdown emergency, the nice part is we have buttons that can be connected directly to the network, which when that button is pressed, will automatically send out the alert across our computers, our PA system, our radios, sending notification to everybody's mobile phones. So with that single activation, we've been able to get information across all the different devices throughout the facility. And then in other situations, the problem might be severe weather. For issues like severe weather, we can have icons set up in advance for things like a tornado warning. Simply double click on the icon. We can add additional information, or in this case, everything's been pre-configured so that with the click of an icon,
Tornado alert. Proceed to red safety zones. Stay clear of windows and shut all doors.
that alert can go out to everybody with instructions, all the information needed so that in a severe situation like a tornado, they know exactly what to do. Again, thank you very much for watching this short presentation of the Lynx system. If you're interested in a full presentation or have other questions, do go to our website at lynxguide.com and we'll be able to set up an appointment to do a full presentation and go over a lot more detail. Thank you.